Accidentally deleted an important file. Don't panic. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted file on Windows using 100% free software, no sketchy downloads, no paid tool, and no tech skill required. So, I recently deleted a project file by mistake and I got it back using a tool that's completely free and actually works. I'll walk you through exactly how to use it step by step. So in step number 1, I will show you and we'll be using a tool called Requiva by the makers of CC Cleaner. It is free and safe to use. Just head to www.cleaner.com, cccleaner.com/Requiva. Make sure you're downloading this software from the official sites to avoid malwares and fake software. In step number 2, now we'll be installing Requiva. Once installed, open Requiva. It starts with a simple wizard. Just click on next and then choose the type of file you're trying to recover, like pictures, documents, or all five if you're not sure. Now in step number 3, hit start to begin the scan. Requiva will look for recoverable file If you don't see your file, you enable the deep scan option. It takes longer, but it's more effective. Now, when the scan is done, you'll see a list of recoverable file GUIMIN there in good condition. Just select what you need and click recover. I just want to say one important thing. Make sure to save the recovered file to a different drive or folder. This to avoid overwriting the data you're trying to recover. And just like that, I got my file back, no stress, no cost. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel for more simple tech fix every week. Let me know in the comment if you need help recovering it from a formatted drive or crashed system. I might cover that in the next video.